If excited was a person, that person would definitely be me. Let's get into my first SHEIN unboxing video. I got this 3-piece enamel pot set in the SHEIN buy one get four free game. These are the sizes if you want to know. This pot set comes in different colors. So black, which is the one that I got, it comes in blue, green, and brown. I mentioned earlier that I got this pot set from the buy one get four free on SHEIN. The cost for this enamel pot set is $36.60, while the sale price is for $26.51. These are the reviews that are shown below. Here is the description. So it's a multicolor double-handle pot. The material is stainless steel, and you have the item ID and the SKU. The first thing I noticed when I got this package is that it is secure. So it came in a box that has fragile on it, and it also came in another box. On the box, you will see the different colors that it comes in. Once I opened the box, I realized that it was also secured with a bubble plastic, plus it came with a plastic that holds it together. It also came with little pieces of papers in between to secure it. With this pot set, you have the covers, and they mentioned that the pot has a double handle, so it is very nice inside. It's a bit thin though. It's very thin because I guess it's kind of material, the enamel, so it is very thin. It's lightweight. The pot covers, however, because they are glass, they are a bit heavier. Yeah, it came with those 3 knobs for the pot covers. So I am now going to show you how I set up the handles. It would be good if you have a screwdriver. I have a screwdriver, but I couldn't find it in this. Right, I couldn't find it at this point in time, so I told myself that after I do this video, I'm going to tighten it so it can stay on. So a screwdriver would be best to use in this sections. Right, the screwdriver wasn't nearby at this point in time, so I promised myself that I will definitely screw it with the screwdriver so it can be a little tighter, because you don't want the handles to fall off. Putting the little knobs on is pretty easy. It's simple. I did that for all 3 pot covers, and so I'm just putting the covers on so you can see the pots clearly. That's it for now. See you in the next one.